keep reacting and checking out my stuff. I'm gonna keep going live. All right, I appreciate you. Yeah, seriously, man. My bad, y'all. Why'd y'all fall? Yo, I fucking dropped the phone. My bad. My bad. I'm coming right back in just a second. I'm gonna read on comments. Read some comments. Give me something crazy. I'm gonna put a crazy comment. Say something. But don't say nothing stupid. Say something crazy. I'm just pin a crazy comment. There's some crazy fact or something else. The ride going all the way home to my ride home. That's me all the questions. Answer all questions. Boy, what you talking about? Are you male or female? All right, man. Look, I'm 100% heterosexual. I don't discriminate, and I appreciate the compliments now, but that ain't me. I appreciate everybody joining, man. Yo, I'm gonna pin some crazy comments, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all got going on. Just gotta get my keys. Y'all see my keys? Let's go. We're going up quick. Let's go quickly for these keys, y'all. Oh, my fault, man. My fault. I apologize. I wasn't reading that properly. My sincere apologies, man. We are up in the bell tower, so we gotta hustle up there real quick. Watch me get up there and start breathing heavy and stuff. This is a long one. We're going all the way back up. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. We're going up, y'all. We're going up. I left the keys in the bell tower. I hope they're there. We're still going up. I hope I left the keys right here. Yo, I left the keys right here. Look. How could I forget them? Okay, that's cool. Thanks for joining, Herb. Yeah, go charge your phone. I'll be live again tomorrow. Appreciate you for joining.